Hello everyone. In this video we will create drop down list in MS Excel. So to create the drop down list, let's first of all, for example, we want to create a drop down list here. So for the creating drop down list, we will move to the data tab. There is two methods, okay, to create that, to insert the drop down items. So after coming to the data tab, come here to the data tools, a group, then come here to this icon, click this icon and press data validation. After pressing the data validation, here are the first allow. In this field you will select list, and here now you have two options. You can select data from another sheet or from a table, and or you can write by your own self. For example, you would like to insert here the food like rice, chicken, like this. You can insert the items, or you can select them from a table, from another sheet or from this sheet. For example, in the sheet 2 I have a few foods, okay, like these foods. I have selected those three foods, and those are selected here in the source area. After selecting that, press OK. So now here we have the list of those foods. For example, we would like to now add another value, another food to this, okay. If you don't want this sheet too, so just hide it, okay. You can hide it, press the hide, it will be hide from the user. Let's add, for example, another food here that should appear here on the drop down list. So to add that, just come here and select an item here in this list. Right click and then insert, then sheet cells, for example, down, okay, sheet cells down, okay. So after adding another cell here, now we will add, for example, a chicken. That has been added. Let's check it now. See, the chicken has been added. The same method is if you would like to delete a food from this list. So just for example, the rice, right click and delete sheet cells. Sheet cells, press OK. So the rice has been deleted. We could delete the whole row, but I have selected the cell, so that is a mistake, I think. That is an empty area, but I will just undo that and I will select the whole row and delete. I will select this shift cells entire row, okay, press OK. The entire row has been deleted. Let's come here now. See, we have these three fields. If you would like to remove here, okay, to remove this drop down list, for that we will move again to the data tab and come here to the data tools group and to the data validation. After coming here, press clear all, so it will clear all the drop down lists, okay. So that has been clear, okay, no drop down list right now. So that is all about the drop down list. To create that and add another item, delete it and clear it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video, comment down. Thanks for watching.